that is cool. Okay, let's start. ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ? እንግሊዘኛ ቋንቋን ቶሎ ለመልመድ እንዲረዳችሁ እንግዲህ ዛሬ አብሮኝ የሚለማመድ ሰው አብሮኝ የሚማር ሰው አምጥቻለሁ። ልጄ ናት። ካሜራ ላይ ብዙ ፊቷን አላስገባውም፣ ግን እሷን ሳስለምዳት እየሰማችሁ በየጊዜው በመንለቃቸው ቪዲዮዎች እንድትማሩ በማሰብ እንግዲህ እሷን እያለማመድኳት ቪዲዮ ሰራላችኋለሁ ማለት ነው። እሺ እማ ለምሳሌ ስምሽን በማስተዋወቅ ትጀምሪና የተሳሳትሽውን ነገር እየነገርኩሽ እያስተካከልሽ ትይጃለሽ። የሚያዩን ተመልካቾቻችንም እንዴት እንደሚያስተካክሉ በዛው ካንቺ ጋር እየተማሩ ይሄዳሉ ማለት ነው። ውጪ ግን በጣም የሚጮሁ ሰዎች አሉ። አፈርሽ አትፈሪ። እሺ Come, introduce yourself, please.
Okay.
Okay. Talk English.
Oh my God.
Atfari. Asfarra indi? No. Asfarra.
My name is. I am 8 years old.
You are 8 years old?
Yes.
Okay.
My grade is 2A.
Okay. You can't say I am learning in grade 2A.
Oh?
Okay?
No.
You can't say like that. ማለት ትችያለሽ እንደዛም እያልኩሽ ነው።
learn ደግሞ እኮ ለምንማረው
አዋ እንዴ grade 2A ነው የምማረው ማለት ትችያለሽ። ችግር የለውም። እሺ I am learning in
2A.
grade 2A.
Grade 2A.
ወይንም ደግሞ I am a grade 2 student ማለት ትችያለሽ። እሺ
I am grade 2 student.
ጮክነሽ
I am grade 2 student.
እንጂ
And I learn in school.
Okay.
I live in. My friend name is. And my mom and dad name is. My mom name.
My mom's. She is no. Apostrophe ተምራችሁልኝ?
Yes. My mom's name is. My dad's name is. My dad's is
My dad's name. My dad's name.
My dad's name is.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Can you tell us more about yourself? Is there anything?
Okay. I have a service.
Oh, you use a service.
Yes.
Is that a taxi service?
Yes.
Okay, that's nice. To go to school and to come back home from school.
Yes.
Okay, that is very nice, very nice. So do you love your teachers?
Yes.
You do?
Yes, I do.
Okay, she said yes I do, which is very nice, by the way. Okay. ራሳችንን ማስተዋወቅ ላይ ብዙ ምን ልንላቸው ነገሮች አሉ። በዛ መሃል አይን ስንጠቀም ለምሳሌ ማይ ስኩል ማይ ሊቪንግ ኤሪያ እያልን እንኖርበትን ቦታ ስለሆነ ነገር
I have a question.
Okay.
በአማርኛ
እሺ
እንዴት ነው ግን እኔ አሁን ወደፊት መሆን የምፈልገው እንትን ነው ለማለት
I want to be ብለሽ የምትፈልጊው አስታወሽ? You got it? Okay.
I wanted to be a pilot.
Oh, you want to be a pilot when you grow up?
Yes, and artist to art.
Okay, you want to be an artist too?
Yes.
Say I want to be an artist.
I wanted to be an artist.
An artist.
An artist.
And a pilot.
A pilot.
When I grow up.
When I grow up.
Oh, that is very nice wish.
Thanks.
I hope your wish comes true.
Thanks.
Oh, ምንድን ያልኩሽ አሁን? I hope your wish comes true.
አንቺ እንደምታረጊው እንተማመንሽ።
አዎ ማለትም የምታስቢው ነገር እንዲሳካልሽ እመኝልሻለሁ ማለት ነው። ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ። ናይስ ጥሩ ነው። በቃ እንደዚህ ነው የሚለመደው። እሺ አሁን ከሷ ጋር እንደዚህ እየተለማመድን ስታዩ እናንተም ራሳችሁን እንድትፈትሹና ስህተቶቻችሁን እንድታገኙ ጥያቄ ካላችሁ ደግሞ ኮሜንት ሴክሽን ላይ እየጠየቃችሁኝ ቪዲዮ እሰራበታለሁ። ኦኬ እሺ ሌላስ እስቲ ስለራስሽ ወደፊት መሆን ስለምትፈልጊውም ነገርሽን። ሌላ ደግሞ ለምሳሌ ጠዋት ስትነሺ ትምህርት ቤት ለመሄድ የምታረጋቸውን ነገሮች ምናምን ደግሞ ንገሪኝ።
Okay. Like
እምረብሽሽ አውቄ ነው ዘና እያልሽ እንድትማሪ። እሺ
I comb my hair.
እሺ when I get up in the morning.
I woke up.
I get up in the morning.
I get up in the morning.
ጠዋት እነሳና ማለት ነው።
All the things.
እሺ
I do. I wear my uniforms.
You wear your uniform ወይም ደግሞ more ትንሽ advanced ስናደርገው ደግሞ I put on my clothes. ልብሴን እለብሳለሁ። I put on my clothes ይባላል። I wear my uniform ይባላል። እሺ በብዙ አይነት መንገድ ማስረዳት እንችላለን። ችግር የለውም። I get up at 7 a.m. in the morning. ለምሳሌ አንድ ሰዓት ጠዋት ትንሽ ከሆነ 12 ተኩል ትንሽ ከሆነ ደግሞ ጠዋት 6:30 in the morning. I get up 6:30 in the morning. I get up 6:45 at 6:45 in the morning. I get up 7 o'clock in the morning. 7 o'clock አንድ ሰዓት ማለት 7 ነው በፈረንጅኛ። እሺ I get up at
7
in the morning. 7 o'clock in the morning. Okay.
And
what do you do after you get up?
Me?
ከተነሳሽ በኋላ ምን ታደርጊያለሽ ነው ያሉሽ? Yes, you.
I go to my service.
No, you don't just go to your service.
Oh, what?
You get up at not actually 7 in the morning. You don't get up 7 in the morning. You get up at 6:45 in the morning. Yes. I'm the one who wake you up. ነኔ የምቀሰቀስሽ እያልኩሽ 6:45. እሺ ችግር የለም። I get up at 6:35 in the morning. I get up at 6:45 in the morning. ምትዩ ማለት ነው። Then I go to toilet. ወይም ደግሞ I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom.
I don't know bathroom.
ሽንት ቤት ማለት ነው። Bathroom is ሽንት ቤት። ቶይሌት ማለት እንችላለን ግን በብዛት ባዝሩም የምንለው ሞር የተሻለ ነው። እሺ I get up 6:45 in the morning and then I go to the bathroom.
Yes.
And then I wash my face.
Yes.
I wash my face. I brush my teeth.
I wash my hand.
You wash your hands.
And
then you put on your clothes. አይደለ? You put on your clothes ወይም ደግሞ you wear your clothes, your uniform. And then you put on your shoes. አይደለ?
Yes.
Then you wash your hand again.
Yes.
To eat your breakfast. አይደለ?
Yes.
Then you have to say I put on my clothes. I put on my shoes. ወይም ደግሞ I wear my clothes and put on my shoes.
What about this? Socks.
Oh, you also wear your socks.
Yes.
Okay. ካልሲር ማረጋል ረስታሽ እያለችኝ ነው። እሺ then what are you going to do? Then you're going to wash your hand again because you have touched your shoes, right?
Yes.
Then you're going to wash your hand.
And I eat my breakfast.
Then after you wash your hands, you eat your breakfast. That is very nice. After you finish eating your breakfast, you wash your hand again. For the third time, right?
Yes.
You put on your clothes. By the way, you should always eat your breakfast first before you put on your clothes and your shoes because you don't have to wash your hand twice or third time, right? Triple times. Okay. So after you eat your breakfast, after you ate your breakfast, after you wash your hands or everything done, then you're going to go to your service, right?
Yes.
You're gonna go to your service. Yes. Or school bus. You can say school bus.
Yes.
It is more referred to as a school bus. Is that? Then you go to your school bus. Then you go to school, right?
No, I stand up. I stand up.
You stand on your queen. Queen. Self ማለት queen ነው. Q-U-E-U-E. Queen. Queen.
I go to my.
You stand on your Q.
Yes.
Q. It's Q actually. You stand on your Q. ሰልፍ ላይ ሄጄ ቆማለሁ ማለት ነው። ትምህርት ቤት ሄዳ ደግሞ የምታደርጋቸውን አክቲቪቲዎች ደግሞ በቀጣይ ቪዲዮ እንሰራላችኋለን። have a blessed time. Subscribe አድርጉ በያቸው።
Subscribe.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Again.
Can you subscribe to our channel? Thank you. Bye. She said it first. Bye. See you next time.